This video is brought to you by Andromo. Create your first Android or Kindle app today with no coding required. Click now to learn more. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your first Kindle or Android app. These apps can be posted on the Google Play Store or on the Amazon Store for people to download, or you can just do them for personal use. If you guys have downloaded my Android app, the Nolan's Vlogs app, I've made a few other ones. That's all been done using the Andromo app creator. With no code, that's their slogan, with no coding required, which that's true. Zero coding, it's just click and drag. And right now I'm going to be showing you how to make your first app. Let's get to it. Of course, you do need a computer. You can use a Chromebook or a desktop computer. And then the second thing you will need is an Android device or Kindle device to test your app. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and write down some ideas. You may mess up on your ideas, so I would recommend just either using your computer or a piece of paper to write your ideas down. Or if you already have an idea, feel free to skip about 10 seconds ahead of this video to see the next step. But yeah, pretty simple. Just write your ideas down and start making your app. Okay guys, so after you have all your ideas down, you can go ahead and start making your app. Of course, this does work on any computer that has a web browser, Chrome, Firefox. You can even do it from your phone. I do not recommend that, but it can be done. So you can use either Chrome or Safari. Go ahead and open up Safari. Okay, you can search Andromo, Andromo.com. Click into Andromo. Click into My Projects. Here are a few of my projects, but we're going to go ahead and start a new project. I'm going to be making this app for a fellow YouTuber and someone that writes for my blog called Ninja Explosions. Ninja Explosions. Click Create New Project. Okay, that was easy. So you can go ahead, as you guys can see here, this is the easiest way that I know of to make apps. There are other ways out there, but you know, they're not the best. So you guys see here, app info, app name. This is the name that will display. That's right here on your computer. This will, if you do decide to download an APK file to test the app, it will have a bunch of numbers. It will probably have the version number or something like this that says .apk at the end. So, because that's the package number. You can go ahead and show license agreement or whatever. I have that in my app. So for now we can go ahead and just click Save Changes. Each time you do have to click Save Changes. So here's all the activities. We have audio player, so music, contact info, custom page, email, Facebook, Flickr, Google+, HTML archive, map, PDF, phone, so basically call us today, photo gallery, podcast, RSS feed, shoutcast radio, Twitter, website, and YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to go YouTube, and we're going to go ahead and do recent uploads. And then what you're going to want to do is you can go ahead, how I've done mine, you can go ahead and go to images and click YouTube and go ahead and find basically any YouTube logo. Let's go ahead and use this one. Download image. You can go ahead and click here, drag this right here, and then you can go ahead and pop back open into your app. Click the file, click new file, the picture. I recommend saving everything to your desktop, it's just easiest that way. And then we can go ahead and show the following. See right here, enter the username here, so we can do Ninja Explosions right there, and click Save Changes and see how the image comes up. So we do have that. Let's go ahead and add another one. Let's go ahead and add a, you can't do Twitter because you have to have the API key, and I'm building this for someone. So let's go ahead and do website. So let's go ahead and go to Google+. Okay, so here is his Google+ account. We're going to be using this, so you're going to want to go ahead and copy that. Click copy, pop back to the app and click Google Plus and go ahead and click URL, paste, and you can freely go ahead and go into images one more time and just type in website. There's probably going to be some pretty cheesy images, but you can go ahead and let's go ahead and say this one right here. If we can get a decent res on that, go ahead and click download image. It will pop into here. Drag this to your desktop. Move back over. Website here. Click right here. And now save. So now that you have all this done, you can go ahead and click your style. You can do transparent or solid. Let's go ahead and do, you can upload your logo image. Let's go ahead and do light with dark action bar. You can edit all your colors right here. Like say, let's go ahead and do a pink. This is not going to be the final version. We're just testing it. So let's go ahead and do pink there on the headlines. Let's do like turquoise color right there. So let's just kind of mess around with some things here. Let's do a pink there. Let's do a orange color there. So this is all weird custom colors. Let's go ahead and click save. Dashboard. Dashboard type, let's go ahead and do sure classic, leave it updated. You can turn ads off and on if you're a premium member. I am a premium member. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off for now, but when I do upload this it may have ads. So enable analytics, you can enable that. Airbot push message, this is a whole big process, so I will have this available in a different separate video. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure to stick around and subscribe. So click generate app, and now it is generating an app. Okay guys, so to download and open this application, you will have to go to your email address and open that, and then after that you're going to want to go ahead and go to settings, security, and enable unknown sources, allow installation from unknown sources. Go ahead and click out of that, drop your notification bar, click app, now it says Ninja Explosions, click install. And you are now ready to use your app. So you are now ready to open and test your app. Go ahead and click open. And you can see it looks pretty good. That took us about 5 or 10 minutes to download. You do have about, and it says developed by Nolan's Vlogs, version 1.0, and the Andromo logo, which will open you up to the Andromo app. You go ahead and click your notification bar. You do see Ninja Explosions right here, and then you can open to Google Plus, continue to mobile site, and it will boot right to his Google Plus page. And you can of course join Google Plus or circle him if you have that Google Plus page, or you can click recent uploads. And you have Chromecast unboxing. These are all highlighted in red. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good. That's some of our custom theming, which you can customize and do with the new Andromo update. I do always say that you should make a backup of your apps. You can always use a cloud service like Google Drive for free, or Dropbox for free, or even Copy for free, but I prefer to have mine local sourced. You can use, it does not matter, you can, if you have a hard drive, this is a 1 terabyte Toshiba USB 3 drive, or I just have this Sony 32 gigabyte drive. I got this for an amazing deal, got this for like $10, and I use this dedicated just for my apps. So now that you have your first Android app made, you can go ahead and keep it for personal use for free. Of course, you do need, if you want to upload it to the Android marketplace, you will need a $25 developer account, which I already have. That's a cheap price. That's a $25 price tag per year versus Apple's $100 developer account. So it is a very good price. So now let's go ahead and upload this application that we just made to the Android market for other users to download. Okay, so that was pretty easy. So what you're going to want to do is to upload to the Android market, the same way we downloaded the application. You're going to want to go ahead and go to your email, wait for your email to load, click Andromo, download application for the app to download, scroll to your downloads tab, drag to your desktop, hop back into Google Developer Console, go ahead and do new application, click title, Ninja, go ahead and click the application, it will upload. So here's all the devices you can use your application on. It is supported on over 4,000 devices. Andromo does not crash unless you do have a lot of custom pages. Mine has never crashed. I have not had one crash report. But yeah, go ahead and upload your high-res picture. I did not have a high-res picture, so I had to pull one off Google, but we're in the process of making one for this application. I hope you guys did enjoy this video on how to make an Android app for your device. Stay tuned for the full review of this service as well as this video. If you did like this video, make sure to leave it a like and a comment. If you did not like it, make sure to tell me why down below. Or if you do need help with this service, you can tweet Andromo app rocks on Twitter. Tweet me, Nolan's Vlogs, or send me an email, nolan@nolansvlogs.com. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next